Alright, so in this video, we are going to be looking at task 18H. So the question says, open the file that you saved at the end of task 18C. A customer would like a car made by Ford. Find the customer a list of all the cars in the garage made by Ford. Now, there are two things I want you to have in mind when we're doing this. The query is going to be performed on the make field, and then of course we're going to use the query is going to also we're going to be using the cars table saved in 18C. Okay, according to the question. Okay, so we're going to go forward to that. Now, sometimes your query may be open, or maybe your tables may be open. Make sure that all tables are closed before you perform a query. Very, very important. And then the particular table that you want to perform the query on, make sure that just click on it once, let it be selected, just for easy addition into your query or something. All right, so the first thing I'm going to do, I'm going to go to query and then go to query wizard. All right, simple query, of course. I okay that. So as you can see, the task 18C table, that is which is the cars underscore task 18C. Please, if you've not done this task, you can go back and do the task 18C. Okay. The description is down below. I mean, the link to task 18A, B, and C, they are down below, so you can just watch that video also. So what I'm going to do now is I'm going to take all the fields to the right. All right. But obviously, the customer will like a car made by Ford. So we don't want to show the customer every field. All right, every field. I'm sorry. So what I'm going to do, I'm going to just remove the ID and then click on this arrow, the first arrow. What is it called? Single arrow. Sorry, and then the purchase price, that is the P price. We don't really want the customer to know that, so we're going to remove that from our query. And then the date it was purchased, we don't really want also our customer to see that. So these are the fields that I need at the right side. All right, so I'm going to next. So I need details. Okay, this shows every field of every record. So this is what we don't need summary for now. So I'm going to click on next. So now, what title do you want for your query? I wouldn't know the title, but I think I'll prefer to leave it like this. So you can give it your name or whatever suggestive name that you can remember. All right. So what I'm going to do, I'm going to also add 18H because I'm running this query for task 18H just to remember where the query that I run, just in case of further tasks. Okay, so I'm going to just leave it like that, but you can give your own any name that you prefer, something like that. All right, so the next thing I'm going to do, I'm going to click on modify query. So I'm going to choose this radio button, option button here, modify query, and then finish. All right, so this is the design view of your query. Okay, so the first thing you're going to do, first of all, just make sure that you're seeing all the fields. All right, so by clicking and dragging down here. Okay, so as we said, the query is going to be performed on the make field here. All right, it's going to be performed here. So and we are meant to just show all the all the cars made by Ford. All right, so what we're going to do, I'm just going to have Ford in here and then click enter and press enter. Now, as you can see, a quotation mark has been put there for me automatically, so you don't have to even worry about that. So that's how you do that. So once I do that, I'm going to run my query. Okay, I'm going to run my query. So as you can see, what you're going to have on the make field now will be all Ford, and this is what the customer is going to see. And then take note that all other fields, like the ID, the P date, the purchase price, all of them are all out. Okay. Now, just a quick one. If you don't want some fields to show, like let's say valet extras, sorry, you can go back to your design view. You can uncheck here. All right, uncheck them here, uncheck here. and then if you run the query, you find out that they will not show. So that's a quick way also to show the fields that you want and the ones that you don't really want. So I'm going to go back there. I'll check them all back and then run my query again, and this is exactly what is needed. Now take note, if you don't have this question, you need to have 25 records. Okay, if this question does not give you 25 records, you need to go back to task 18A, 18B, and then come back to 18C to make sure that you do your your tasks right. Okay. Obviously, of course, this question, shows you how you can run a query or a search on a database table. Okay. Yeah, that's basically what it's about. So, and I hope that you've learned something in this video. So that's about that. So I will see you guys in the next video in task 18I. Okay, so thank you, and then don't forget to subscribe and comment and also share. Thank you very much. I will see you in the next video. Bye.